Primetime News this evening, we explore depression in the Christmas, a special report called A Merryless Christmas. Multiple communities in Clarendon facing event restriction. And Fix It Now. Stakeholders want Jamaica Eye issues resolved.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, there's a new chairman of West Indies Petroleum Limited, and it's a familiar face. I'll tell you who later in the business day.
Thank you, Chizzy. And Renato is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. What's happening?
Well, it's Christmas. You sure we have sport? Sure we do. Well, Archie, Jamaica named the West Indies Test squad to face Pakistan in January, and Olympians already talking up their medal chances for the World Championships in 2025. It's exciting. We'll have that and much more in Primetime Sports.
We have the weather, though.
Yes.
Although he's not right here right now.
But he is going to be here later. So we're going to have sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what is your favorite Christmas tradition?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.